Greetings from Tool Zone. Craving that satisfying feeling? You're in the right place. Watch how expert hands transform everyday tasks into stunning displays of precision. Time to enjoy some top-tier skill in action. Where smart thinking takes over, brute force isn't needed. Solid wood boards are precisely cut to equal lengths. Blown glass is pure magic, captivating from the very first second. As the master shapes molten glass into delicate beauty, you instinctively hold your breath, afraid to break the spell. That's when you realize, art is what happens when a genius creates and the rest of us just watch in awe. Everything back in place, tools down, and boom, she's whole again, gleaming like she just left the factory. That smooth gloss, that mirror finish. This isn't just a car, it's a beauty reborn. Taste of the holidays, festive flavors that bring the New Year spirit alive. A truly gifted person can turn even simple materials into something extraordinary. Just look at how breathtaking that pattern turned out. This is high-level artistry in action. The final stage of woodworking is the most exciting and crucial part of the process. Think you know what hard work is? Try replacing car brand emblems. It's far trickier than it looks. Precision and patience are key to making it look factory perfect. Heads up, this video is seriously addictive to watch. True beauty always lies in the fine details. This store is always prepped to greet customers looking its absolute best. That satisfying crackle reminded me of crunchy cookies. What does it make you think of? A special treat for everyone who can't resist a stack of pancakes. Here's a quick tip on how to neatly cut the inner corners of ceiling strips. Hard to believe, but even a regular cleaning brush can give off a luxurious look. Riding a water skateboard is hard enough, but when your buddies are surfing right alongside you, it turns into a full-on performance. Who's staying up? Who's wiping out? It's pure adrenaline from start to finish. When a sea of balloons rains down on a crowd, it's like stepping into a child's daydream. Light, joyful, and full of magic. All that's missing is a festive movie soundtrack to match the burst of colorful chaos. Tearing up old tiles, laying new ones, and crafting patterns. For a skilled professional, it's like solving a complex puzzle while blindfolded. For the rest of us, it's a captivating show where disorder slowly becomes design. Who says construction is a man's world? These women handle paint rollers like seasoned pros, and the ceiling turns bright white faster than you can say gender roles. The patterns are incredible. The craftsman clearly a master. Yeah, but the real hero here is precision. One wrong tap of the hammer, and that beautiful design could instantly become a disaster. Using a spray gun, the surface is quickly coated in green paint, covering it efficiently. Just like in the video, you can draw custom designs on dough before baking. The final bread comes out beautifully adorned. It's like a dream come true. A device that pours liquids into containers with flawless accuracy and not a single spill. Every motion is efficient and precise. Got a crack in your car's leather seat? Don't stress. There's a simple and reliable fix you can do yourself. A little effort and your interior will look as good as new. Small tool, big impact. After some precise work, this machine looks brand new, like it just rolled off the production line. Flawless down to the last detail. This horse is getting the royal treatment with a proper hoof trim. Credit to the attentive owner. The top contender for Mirror Cleaning Champion of the Year. Spotless results. Any girl would be delighted to receive such a stunning bouquet. The more pencils you have, the more artwork you can create.